Okay guys, in today's video we are going to create a product manipulation in Photoshop just like the one on your screen now, and this is coming. Okay guys, welcome back to Photoshop once again. I'm going to click on file and click on new. Then the width is 800 and the height is 800, and I'll click on create, and I'm going to go to view all over here and click on fit on screen, and I'm going to go to file and go to place embedded. I'm going to import this image you are seeing now. Hold shift on your keyboard and reduce the size. Can reduce the size a little bit, then place it here like this. Then I'm going to commit it right here. Then I'm going to select the background. Then I'm going to go to adjustment layer, then go to solid color. Then under the solid color, I'm going to use the color picker to pick a color for the background, just like this, just like the one you are seeing now. Then I'm going to commit it right from here. Now the next step I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the rectangle marker tool from here. Then here I'm going to make a selection here like this. I want to make a selection here like this. Then I'm going to take it to the top a little bit, just like this. Then I'm going to give it a new layer. Then I'm going to take the gradient tool from here. Then hold the Alt key on your keyboard. Then you can sample a color from the image like this. Sample a color from the image like this. Then come over here and hold shift on your keyboard to create a stroke. Hold shift on your keyboard, then drag it down, make it be in a straight line. Drag it down like this, then leave it like that. Then I'm going to go to select and deselect, then press Ctrl T to free transform. Then you can scale the image, the shape like this. Then I'm going to commit it from here. Then come over here and give it a new layer. Then with the gradient map still being active, and make sure that your foreground color is black. Then hold shift on your keyboard, then you can just take off some of the edges like this. Okay guys, that is it. Then I am going to give it a new layer again, and I'm going to take the brush tool from here. Then I'm going to take the soft round brush with 0% of hardness. Then I am going to reduce the size a little bit to the size of this product right here. You can use the open bracket on your keyboard to reduce and increase the size here, just like this. Reduce it, increase it a little bit. Then you can hold the Alt key on your keyboard. Then you can also sample a color once again. You can sample a color once again. Then you can come over here and click on it to create a light reflection from the back of the image like that. I'll place it something like 2 times, just like this. Then you are good. Then the next step I'm going to do now is I'm going to select this image you are seeing now, and I'm going to go to file, and I'm going to click on place embedded, and I'm going to import this strawberry you are seeing now, and I'm going to hold shift and scale it, reduce the size a little. I'm going to hold shift on my keyboard and select both the image, both the strawberry and the product image, and I'm going to right click over here and I'm going to name merge layers from here. So that is it. Then the next step I am going to do now is I am going to hold Alt on my keyboard and drag down. Then I'm going to go to edit, then go to free transform from here, and I'm going to right click and flip vertical, and I want to drag it down. Hold shift and drag it downward here, just like this. Then I am going to click on OK from here. Then I'm going to select the other image, then give it a new layer from here. Then I'm going to take the brush tool. Then I'll come over here and this circle you are seeing, I'm going to drag it down here, like just like this. Then make sure that you set it to a black color here, that your foreground color is black. Then you can reduce the size of the brush, and make sure that your opacity is at 100 and the flow also is at 100. Then come over here and click on here once and you are good. Then I'm going to take the move tool from here, select this layer, use the arrow key on your keyboard to nudge it down a little bit. Then I am going to give it a layer mask. Then take the gradient tool from here, then hold shift on my keyboard and drag to the top like this. So you can come over here and reduce the opacity. Then now select the image. Now go to filter and go to blur and go to motion blur. Then the angle is on 0%, then the distance is 20 pixels. Then or you can reduce the distance to something like 15 pixels. Then I'm going to click on OK like that. Then I am going to give it a new layer again. Then I'm going to take the brush tool from here. Then I am going to reduce the size a little bit. I want to give this strawberry a shadow. Let me zoom in so that you see what is happening here. Then just increase the brush size and left click here once or twice, then Ctrl+0 to fit on screen like that. Then I am going to right click over here and rasterize the vector mask. Then right click over here again and apply layer mask, making everything once, and that is it. Then I'm going to select this image you are seeing right now. Then I'm going to go to adjustment layer, then go to curve, then come over here and click on clipping mask icon, then take the curve right like this, giving it a little bit of dark color here like this. I believe that you see what is happening now. Then after that I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to go over to my file and place embedded. I'm going to hold shift on my keyboard and scale it. Drop it somewhere here. Then I'm going to click on commit it right from here. Then I'm going to take the move tool, then the B selected, then Ctrl J on your keyboard to make a duplicate, then go to FX, then go to color overlay, then selecting it, making it, go to color overlay. Then you are going to pick something color like this. And I'm going to click on OK and click on OK again. Then Ctrl+T. Then hold Ctrl on your keyboard. Hold Ctrl on your keyboard and rotate it this way because we want to give it a little bit of reflection. Then commit it right from here. Then take this image and drag it to somewhere here, creating something like a reflection all over there. Let me zoom in so that you see what is happening here. So I'm going to go to filter all over here, then go to blur, then select motion blur from here. Then I'm going to increase the radius a little bit. Then that is it. I'm going to commit it. Then Ctrl+0 to fit on screen. And I'm going to go to file again and click on place embedded. And I'm going to import this image you are seeing right now. Hold shift on your keyboard to scale it. Then you can place it somewhere here like this. You can also reduce the size. You can place it somewhere here like this. Then I'm going to commit it. Then I'm going to right click over here and convert it to a smart object. Then I'm going to go to filter, then go to blur, then go to motion blur. Then I'm going to set the angle to angle 90 right here. Set the angle to 90. Then I'm going to increase the distance a little bit. Then I'm going to click on OK. Then I'll hold Alt on my keyboard, then drag to this side like this. Then just make adjustments all over here like this. then we are good. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this training, and please guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video to your friends. And now that is it. You can just come over here and start grouping our layers, making it be in the standard form. So thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial. I'm out.